Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to take another topics and express my experience on the challenges coming to society in general due to COVID-19. Role of HR professional is not limited only within the four walls of the organization. Rather, it is more into general society where you live. COVID-19, so-called epidemic, which has completely taken over the entire society in its clutch and twisting to society and citizen thereof as per its cruel illness and putting the people in the trouble. In India, this is still increasing, and data being given by media people are still very fearful. Role of government cannot be ignored. Either it is the government of Maharashtra or government of Gujarat or government of central government that they are not doing anything. No. They are putting their best efforts and results are also in front of us. That recovery rate is good. Infrastructure on and off saddle is being provided. It is a different story that we come forward and we say that government is not into action or government is doing this much percentage, that much percentage. But fact is not that. Fact, I feel as a human being that what I have contributed and then what I am expecting from the government and other agencies who are involved into the prevention and correction into the situation. As HR, I will not generalize the talk, but as a professional, I am sure that one should appreciate government and one will appreciate government except party of the opposition because they have to work as per the norms of the opposition party. Government is working to provide and open the door of the employment different way. Now state governments also have taken the call that they will provide employment opportunity to the people of their state and somehow they will minimize the movement of their people to other states. As really it is painful seeing the position of the migrant labor, migrant people moving on the road, street, forest and other different roads. Therefore, decentralization of the employment, what I mean to say, as it was being said that let's go to Delhi, we will get more opportunity of the employment. Let's go to the Mumbai, we will get more opportunity in Mumbai, and so on. Now, for the labor, these kind of the perceptions may vanish slowly and steadily as the government is equalizing the rules and regulations pertaining to minimum wages and bonus etc. across the country. So there is no meaning to take the pain coming to the other state, going to the other state and looking for a better breathing and better chance of employment. As far as manager and above people are concerned, yes, this perception may little bit differing for this category of the people, because they have to see the employment opportunity where they can get the satisfaction and can give their best according to their professional study, professional knowledge and professional approach. These kind of people may be further moving to state where more opportunities of employment, of appropriate employment is there, irrespective to it is Delhi or it is Bangalore, Kolkata or Mumbai. Wherever they get the job of their satisfaction, they will joining the team of the state and maybe working in accordance to the norms of their perception and the perceptions of the industry. So, employment opportunity during epidemic and post-epidemic may be divided into manual worker, professional people, and the movement of the people may be restricted and open as little bit my experience says and I have expressed in the video. Thank you very much.